It is Friday, and the bikes are out riding down Spearfish Canyon. That's where I am right now, and kind of like a somber day for me because tomorrow morning I'm going to be heading for home. So this is my last day here in the Black Hills for the Sturgis Motorcycle Rally, and came out to Spearfish Canyon just one more time to have a little picnic lunch here and watch the bikes go by on the road and ride it myself. But later on I'm going to be heading back to Main Street Sturgis for my final visit to Main Street Sturgis for the 2024 Sturgis Motorcycle Rally. So yeah, my rally is winding down now, and so I'm going to take and sit here and watch the bike go by a little bit longer, and then finish up my pop here and hop on the bike and ride down Spearfish Canyon and go back to Main Street Sturgis after a while. So talk to you later. Well, here we are. One last look around here, Spearfish Canyon, and I'm going to hop on the bike and head to Main Street Sturgis in a minute. Nice and quiet right now. Oh man. Now I won't be back. Probably won't be back until next year now. There's a bike. Some bike. Alright, there we go. I'll hop on the bike and head to Main Street Sturgis, so see you there. And there it is, Main Street Sturgis. Coming on to about 2:30 in the afternoon right now, Friday afternoon. Just got here from Spearfish Canyon. And this is my final time being down here on Main Street Sturgis before heading home tomorrow. So I'm going to go take a walk around now and just enjoy the last moments I have this year here at the Sturgis Motorcycle Rally. You know, I went to this the very first year I was here. I have not been in there since then, so I think I'm going to go in there. It costs 14 bucks, it looks like, from looking on the door there. So I'm heading in. I hope they allow videoing in there, I'm not sure, but I'm going in regardless. I got my stamped, so. Okay, obviously I'm not going to film every single one of them, just a quick overview. My gosh, a ton of bikes. It's going to take a while, I think. 1936. Wow.
Last time I was there, I pulled out a bicycle leasing card or a massive card. The gal was Montana. I looked in the mirror and said,
1982 Harley Davidson FXB Sturgis. Wow.
got this crochet. We don't
Man, it's beautiful. Wouldn't mind having that.
pictures from the Grand Island Dragons. I was in there one day, he showed us all that stuff. I was there, I seen these things. You're right. I don't remember. I was just a little kid. That's awesome. Man. They've got the old elevator working in there, you know, what you do, that's good. That's how you take the face and down. Thank you.
In 1914 Harley Davidson Model 10 F Twin. Here's a 1916 If you're ever in Sturgis, by all means, come here and take a look at the bikes. This is an amazing museum here. Oh, wow. 34 Indian 4. Indian Chief. Hmm. 93 Indian Chief with a sidecar. Man, look at that.
I'm not even there.
Oh, wow. Labeled as Indian.
We have a great time. Nice to meet you. Yeah, we'll see you on the road.
Huh. Wow. So that's actually a Royal Enfield.
Nice bikes, huh?
With the Indian name on it. Hmm. Cool. Generally. Okay, let's see what it is. This Ken Holloway's General Lee Nitro Harley Engine is 1976 Harley Davidson Sportster, 96 cubic inch displacement. Okay. Quarter mile, shows on the bottom. 7.85, top speed 175. Oh. Wow. Again, that center just right. That's so cool. I read that this bike was here on the display here at the Sturgis Motorcycle Rally Museum. Well, Sturgis Motorcycle Museum and Hall of Fame. I read that in that it was on the display here, and that's why I came to see this. Well, that was really fun being in there. That was really cool seeing all those bikes. Got to see that General Lee bike that brought me in the door. That's cool. But now I'm going to take a walk down around Main Street now. So the 1982 Sturgis in side there. They have a 91 out here. Looks nice, but I think I prefer the 82. That's full trim record, 24 karat gold. Oh my god. People here, you know, not as much as there was last week, of course, but good showing of people. There for a while. That was pretty darn cool. Alright, I'm all the way to this end of Main Street. I'm going to go down across the street and then go down the other end, and then I'm going to be heading on out of here. So it's going to be my final walk down Main Street for this year. So, oh man, here we go. They must be talking about the flat track race that they'll be having on Sunday here right in downtown Sturgis. But they're recording something for that. Trying to record. He's getting a whole bunch of noise and stuff. Oh man. Alright, I'm going to head on and walk. Alright, back at my bike. Look down Main Street there. May as well look the other direction. It's not as far because the end of it is right there. And this is it. I'm heading back to camp after this. This is my last time being on Main Street for this year. Won't be back again until next year for the rally. So, wow. Oh, man. Okay. That does it. I'm heading back to camp. Alright, just got back to camp a few minutes ago, about 5:15 right now, and all I'm going to be doing tonight is just relax, probably start getting ready, some things packed for tomorrow, kind of get things organized a little bit, and other than that I'm not going to be doing anything else. So I think I'm going to be wrapping up this video and wrapping up this trip. And oh yeah, you know, they have that racing on Sunday on Main Street, the flat track racing. I would love to go to that, but I have to work on Monday. So, and I'm going to leave on Saturday. So it's a really nice riding day all the way home on Saturday. So I decided I'm going to go home on that day instead of Sunday. It's better than what the forecast is on Sunday. So I'm going to do that instead of leaving Sunday morning. But hopefully, if they keep doing that races on Sunday, I can plan for it and have to take probably a day or two more off of work in order to make it. But this year I didn't know about the scheduling of when they were going to be doing that and everything, even if they were going to, until after I had ever set my plans for this year. So this year I really wasn't able to make it, but that is something that I'm interested in going to in the future. So man, so this is it. Oh, my favorite time of year is coming to a close now. Oh, now I have to just start looking forward to next year now. And once I get home, I'm going to start watching other people's YouTube videos. You know, while I'm on my trip, I don't have time to really watch anyone else's videos, and because when I do have time, I'm editing mine, you know, a little bit, and so that way I can kind of still get my Sturgis motorcycle rally fix even after I get home, and still kind of still continue experiencing it through other people's videos too. And I'm still going to be, I have all that riding footage, and I have some other footage that I did not include on these videos that I posted, and I'm going to have I plan on having like a documentary style video like I did last year, and also kind of like what I'm calling a highlight reel. I call it. I've been doing that for the last couple of years too. So, okay. All right. Now that wraps it up for this year. For the 2024 Sturgis Motorcycle Rally. For me is a wrap. And thanks for watching. And thanks for joining me on this experience. And, okay. Well, that's it. Thanks for watching. And stay tuned for hopefully some more trips.